Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks and mirrors, push button 4x4 system, drivability down, automatic headlights and fog lights, leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, full digital gauge cluster there as well, push button ignition, a nice large 13.4 inch touchscreen, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. Truck is equipped with parking sensors, auto stop start, your automatic shifter knob, your integrated trailer braking system, wireless charging pocket, all black dash and interior here with the Bose audio, and our leather heated and ventilated seating with the Kalahari inserts, and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 badging, 6.2 liter V8 plaque. The AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, fog lights, front parking sensors, camera system, as well as the red recovery hooks and AT4 black chrome grille. Making our way back down the side, truck is equipped with rear tinted privacy windows, blacked out window trim, and remote start. Crew cab truck with a regular box. At the back, we do have the dual chrome exhaust tips, rear parking sensors, as well as trailer hitch option. You do have your MultiPro tailgate, LED brake lights, as well as your Sierra AT4 badging. Jumping into the interior here, second row, the black leather with Kalahari inserts. Both end seats are heated, car seat ready, in-seat storage, sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top and LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof, 3-stage heated seat controls, USB ports, rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts installed in the back of the crew cab. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.